Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ramani Online Mathematics. Please try to subscribe and share to your colleagues. Those that are watching from TikTok, please also move to my YouTube channel, Ramani Online Mathematics on YouTube. Search and also subscribe for me. Thank you. Now let's look at addition and subtraction of vectors. Two or more vectors can be added or subtracted by adding or subtracting their respective x and y components. Okay, good. So we can add or subtract their respective x and y. What we are trying to say is that you can't subtract x component from y component or y component from x component or add. In that way, it should be x, x, y, y. That's what we are saying. So if a is equals to x1, y1, b equals to x2, y2, then OA minus OB, the OO there, just that is a position vector. Okay, moving from the origin. We have x1, y1 minus x2, y2. So here, if I'm to do the subtraction, it should be x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2. The same thing applies to the positive. Okay, now let's look at the other addition. Let's look at the example here. If vector m equals negative 6, 10, vector n equals negative 7, negative 4, find m plus n. Okay, so we have to find m plus n. So now m is what? Negative 6, 10 plus n is what? Negative 7, negative 4. Is that okay? So in this case, negative 6, negative 10, this is what we are going to have. Negative 6 plus negative 7. Then negative 10 plus negative 4. So this is how we do it. So we have negative 6 plus negative 7 will give you negative 13. 10 plus negative 4 will give you positive 6. Is that okay? Very good. Now let's move to the second example. All right, now let's look at example number 2. If r equals 3, 1, s equals negative 2, 1, calculate 6 bracket open r plus 2s. Okay, so 6 bracket open r plus 2s. What this means is that this 6 is multiplying this, also multiplying this. Okay, so it becomes a scalar. So let's maintain our 6 out. Now this r is given as 3, 1. So put it there, 3, 1. No, there will be a bracket in a bracket. That's why I've made this one a square bracket. Plus 2 multiplying by s, which is negative 2, 1. Then you close it. So 6, 3, 1 plus 2 times negative 2 will be negative 4. 2 times 1 is 2. So 6. Now I'm going to combine this. Okay, so that will be bracket open 3 plus negative 4. 3 plus negative 4. Then you also have 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. So 6, 3 plus negative 4 here becomes negative 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now this is also scalar, also multiplying. So we are going to have 6 times negative 1. Then 6 times 3. 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. 6 3 is 18. Is that okay? You realize that when I was adding, I did not add this 3 to the 2 because this is x component, this is x component, can never be added to the y component. So y, y, x, x. Is that okay? Now let's move to the last example under this. Okay, now let's look at example number 3. If r equals 2, negative 1 and s equals negative 3, to find r minus s, 3r minus s, 4r minus x. Here, I'm only going to do the I, and then you try the I and the I. So let me do the I. 3r minus x. So 3. Now r is giving us 2, negative 1. So 2, negative 1 minus s is giving us negative 3, 2. So first one, we open this, which will give you 3 times 2, 3 times -1. You can also multiply direct. Okay, there's no problem with this. Now, here will be -3, 2. 3, 2 is 6. 3, 1 is -3. Then -3, 2. Now, here will be 6 minus 3. And here will be -3 minus 2. 6 minus 3 will give you 9. Because minus will become positive. -3, -2 will give you -5. So this will be the answer to the II. Please try the I and the III and leave the answer in the comment section. Okay, I hope you understand. All right.